Hello everyone, welcome to English Nova. My name is Simon, and today we're talking about something very important for English learners. Stop focusing on grammar. I know this might sound strange. Maybe your teacher or your friend told you that grammar is the key to learning English. But is it true? I'll tell you the things you should not do. Then, I'll share solutions and useful tips to help you learn faster and have fun. Let's start. First, what is grammar? Grammar is the rules of a language, like how to use verbs, nouns, or tenses. For example, I go versus I went. It's important, but not the first thing you need. Many beginners make a big mistake. They focus too much on grammar. They study rules all day. They memorize lists like present simple, past simple, or future tense. But this can be a problem. Why? Let me explain. Reason number one, it makes you afraid to speak. If you think about rules all the time, you worry about mistakes. You say, is this correct? Did I use the right tense? Then you stop talking. You stay silent. But English is for communication. Babies learn to speak without grammar books. They just try. You can do the same. Reason number two, it slows down your progress. Grammar is like a puzzle with many pieces. If you try to learn all the pieces first, you get tired. You feel bored. Studies show that adults learn languages better by practicing, not just studying rules. A famous study from Cambridge University says that speaking and listening help more than grammar drills for beginners. Reason number three, real life doesn't follow perfect grammar. Think about native speakers. People in England or America don't always use perfect grammar. They say things like, I ain't going, instead of, I am not going. It's okay. In daily conversations, like talking about your day, people care more about the meaning, not the rules. Now, let's talk about the things you should not do. These are common mistakes. Avoid them to learn better. Number one, do not memorize grammar rules without practice. Don't sit with a book and repeat subject, verb, object 100 times. It's like learning to swim by reading a book. You won't swim well until you jump in the water. Number two, do not correct every small mistake right away. If you're talking to a friend and you say, I eated, instead of I ate, it's fine. Fix it later. Focusing on errors during speaking makes you nervous. Number three, do not avoid real conversations. Some students hide behind apps or books. They think, I'm not ready because my grammar is bad. But that's wrong. Start small talks now. Say hello to someone online or in a language group. Number four, do not compare yourself to perfect speakers. Don't watch advanced videos and feel bad. Remember, even famous people like Cristiano Ronaldo speak English simply. If you do these don'ts, you'll get stuck. You'll learn slowly. But don't worry, there are better ways. Okay, now let's talk about solutions. If grammar isn't priority number one, what is? The answer is focus on communication. Build your skills in speaking, listening, and vocabulary. These will help you use English in real life. Grammar will come naturally later. Solution number one, start with speaking practice every day. Speak without fear. How? Begin with simple sentences about your daily life. For example, say out loud, I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink coffee. I go to work. Do this in front of a mirror or record yourself on your phone. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to feel comfortable. I will soon share a new series of videos with you. These videos will show you an amazing way to improve all your English skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of the new videos. Solution number 2, listen a lot. Listening helps you understand natural English. Watch simple videos like kids' cartoons or slow podcasts. Listen to one short clip every day, then try to repeat what you hear. Over time, your brain will learn grammar patterns without studying. Here's a useful fact. Research from the University of Pennsylvania shows that listening for 30 minutes a day improves speaking faster than grammar exercises. Why? Because you hear how words connect in real sentences. Solution number 3, build vocabulary first. Words are like building blocks. Learn 10 new words a day about daily topics, like food, family, or sports. For example, words like breakfast, exercise, relax. Use them in sentences right away. Don't learn grammar until you have enough words to play with. Solution number 4, practice with others. Join a language exchange group on apps like HelloTalk. Talk to people online. Say, "Hi, let's practice English." Tell me about your day. It's free and fun. If you're shy, start with text messages, then move to voice calls. Another way, role play. Pretend you're ordering food at a restaurant. Say, "I'd like a pizza, please." No need for perfect tenses, just communicate. Solution number 5, use immersion. Immersion means surrounding yourself with English. Change your phone to English. Listen to English music. This helps grammar sink in without effort. Remember, make it fun. Play games like word puzzles or English bingo. Reward yourself after practice, like eating your favorite snack. Now let's share some more useful information. These facts and tips are based on real studies and expert advice. They'll help you feel confident. Fact 1. Many successful language learners ignore grammar at first. For example, polyglots like Benny Lewis say, "Speak from day one. He learned 10 languages by talking, not studying rules." Fact 2. Your brain learns grammar automatically through exposure. A study from MIT University found that after hearing 1,000 simple sentences, beginners start using correct grammar without thinking. So, expose yourself to English every day. Fact 3. Mistakes are good. Every mistake teaches you something. Thomas Edison, the inventor, said, "I haven't failed. I've found 10,000 ways that don't work." Same with English. If you say, "I go," instead of "I went," next time you'll remember. Use free resources. Websites like British Council have simple lessons. Apps like Babbel focus on speaking, not just grammar. And don't forget YouTube channels like mine. Subscribe for more videos on daily life stories. To wrap up, grammar is important, but it shouldn't be your priority. Don't get stuck on rules. Avoid memorizing without practice, correcting every mistake, or avoiding conversations. Instead, focus on speaking, listening, vocabulary, and real practice. Use solutions like daily speaking, immersion, and fun apps. Remember the useful facts. Listen a lot, make mistakes, and be patient. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to English Nova, and comment below. What's one thing you'll try today? Maybe I'll speak without fear.